the 3rd of December. So that means that we have to find the number 3. I got it. Right, this is like the worst place to put my advent calendar because it's so easy to open. Right, it says, how does snowmen get around? They ride an icicle. Oh, stop it. Oh. I am currently uploading day 2 of the vlog. I was up till 1:30 editing it. I spent 5 hours trying to get the first day up. Oh my god, it's like the biggest nightmare ever. Now I think I've got the hang of it. So I'm just going to leave my laptop here for today, plugged in. And then I'm going to go to college. I'm in all day. I've got maths. First thing, I haven't got any homework because I definitely have not done any. No, I don't think we got any. So yeah, I'm going to make a cup of tea and then I'm going to be off, so yeah. Hey guys, is that lemon water? It's not the same. Oh. The fault has just stabbed you in the foot. Carry on. I look like a Russian person right now. Like Dan as a woman. Oh my god, sorry. Want some water? I'm okay, thank you. Oh, you give it to me. On my way home now. It's Thursday. Just been to a DAV meeting. It just was so boring. And yeah, so I have to get this bus home and then another bus home because this doesn't take me home straight away. So I have to get 2 buses and I'm just not looking forward to it. So when I get home, then I'm going to have to edit this. There's not much I got today because I've been busy all day with schoolwork and college work. So nothing really interesting has happened so far. I might go home soon, really excited might happen, but I doubt that, so yeah, just a quick update. Yes, I just looked back at that clip and my skin looks terrible, like my foundation's come off loads, so like my true colours are coming through and they're horrible. So yeah, this weather's grim. I don't even have an umbrella with me. I swear I brought one with me, well I obviously didn't because it's not my bag. And I'm wearing a leather jacket. Maybe I could just like put the scarf over my head. Anyway, I love my outfit today. It's quite grungy. It's very me. This is like a very me outfit. I don't know how to like describe this style. Do you guys have any suggestions? And my nails, I like my nails. So yeah, just thought I'd say.
Just look right after this. Look right after this.
See ya! Alright, so I'm like a month then. This is probably gonna get soaked. Oh, it's pouring down, and I am wearing just a beanie and a coat. I don't think you can even see me. And I'm gonna put this away because otherwise you're gonna get soaked. So, yeah. So I'm gonna drop here. It's just raining a little bit, just a little bit. I look so unbelievably hot, hashtag not. I've been out in the rain and it's disgusting. I went out to go and get a loaf and I have dark lipstick on, like dark purple one from Sleek and Mulberry, and it's like come off a bit because it's been on for like a few hours now. And I had Nutella, so it came off a bit there as well. And I went out with Nutella on my lips. Had a full-on conversation with the guy in the shop about life, and I'm surprised he could take me seriously. Well, that is just embarrassing. This has just come out the oven and I'm holding it. That just shows how like amazing I am. How stupid I am. So yeah. Oh, dog did somewhere. I had my pizza. So I haven't had pizza in ages. I think the last time I had pizza was like when I was at Ellie's. Could be lying completely. I think it was though. Right, can we not talk about this now? I'm wearing a t-shirt like a v-neck, and I took off my leather jacket to put a big coat on, but I wanted to wear a hoodie as well. So I just like got this off my bag. So I would never like go out looking like this unless it was covered by a coat and it was only down the road, so I'm just gonna ignore this. And I was wearing like a little beanie. I've hardly got like any footage for today. Today's been like so boring on this day of the vlog, day 3. So yeah, I apologise if it's like really boring, but yeah. This is what my pizza looks like. Yum. This song is pretty good though.